Assalamu alaikum dear kids. How are you? I hope all of you are doing good. Kids, this is your English lesson and today we are going to read and write 3-letter words using am sound. Let's see what is date today. Today is 26th April 2021 and day is Monday. Kids, now let's read and write 3-letter words using am sound. A, am, am. Sound of letter A is a, am, am, am. Am, am. Say it with me. Am, am, am. This is a picture of a ram. Ram. R, am, ram. Which letter sound is R? It's R. Yes. R, ram. Let's write here R. R, am, ram. This is jam. Jam. J. Kids, which letter sound is J? It's Y. Y. J. J, am, jam. Let's write Y. Small y. J, am, jam. 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 Kids, the initial sound of this word is J. 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 It's J. J. Let's write J or J. And now let's read this. J, am, jam. J, am, jam. Kids, our next picture is of a dam. Dam. D, am, dam. D, am, dam. And where is written dam? Is this written dam? No, it's J, am, jam. R, am, ram. D, am, dam. Yes, this is dam. Now let's write D here. Then it will become dam. D, am, dam. Kids, now let's write here all words, all 3-letter words. Ram. Let's write here ram. R, am. Now let's write am. And we know that it's am, am. Am, am. Now it will become am, ram. Am, ram. Jam. This is jam. Let's write here jam. J, j. Which letter sound is J? It's Y. Y. J, am, am, am. Jam. Jam, jam. This is jam. Let's write jam. First, notice which is the first sound in the word jam. It's J, J, J. Yes, that's mean it's J. J, am, a, am, Jam, jam. Dam. Let's write dam. D, d, d. D. Let's start writing from the letter D. D. Am. Let's write am now, and we know that it's am. A, am, am. D, am, dam. So kids, now let's use some flashcards to make some am words. Are you ready? Okay, kids, now let's make jam. Okay, jam word. And we need j. Okay, first, j is the first sound in the word jam. Okay, so we need j here. J. Okay, j. Now j, am. Now we need a. Okay, j, a. And the last one is Now it has become jam. Jam. J, am, jam. Now let's make it dam. Okay, dam. Now what we need to do is we will change J with D. Yes, now it has become dam. D, am, dam. Now let's make it jam. Y. J, am, jam. J, am, jam. So kids, that's it for today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.